Okay, now we will see how to use the leveler asset. Go to the data quality from the Informatica Cloud Services, then click on New and select the labeler. So we are going to create a labeler to validate the DOB. So provide the name here, validate DOB. Then dimension you can choose validity for now. Then go to the configuration. So labeler has two different modes, token and character. We will be going for the token because we are going to divide a date into the token and validate it. So characters is something that it will replace the label format with the given format. For now we'll go with the token and let's select the regular expression. Here we need to validate the date, so we can either go with the built-in or we can have the custom. So we can go with the built-in. The built-in you can search for the date. We have this different regular expression formats. You can select the most common, where this is the regular expression we have selected, and the description we can get it for the built-in one. And this is the label type. Is it the default or user defined? So what label type you want to give? The default one is the date one. You can go with the user defined because we want to make sure that valid. So this is the label I'll be giving, that valid date. It will give that my date is valid. Okay, now let's go with the test. So I'll be giving some dates here. Format is first date, then we have month, and then we have year. Then I'll also pass something like, then I'll pass something like 2022, and we can perform the test. Okay, so when we are passing the valid date, we are getting the output as a valid date. Otherwise, it will give the output as it is, whatever values we have here. Let me just change this regular expression to some other format, because we will be having format like YYMMDD. So I'll go with this format here, and my label output will be, I'll keep it as a custom, which is valid type, valid date. And then I can test again. This will fail because we don't have any with this format starting with the year. So I will add one more. So you can see we are not getting anywhere this label as a valid date. I'll add one more with the year at the start, and let's test it. So we can use slashes, we can use dash, we can use forward slash, dots as a date separator. Everything works here. Here is what my valid date is coming. Okay, so when we have this valid format, we are getting this valid date as an labeled output. So you can use this labeler to validate your date format. Now we can also see how this character labeler will also get used.